हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्कार। वेलकम टू मैथ्स गाइडेंस। आज मैंने ये क्वेश्चन लिया है उसी से एसएससी सीजीएल टीयर 1 2022 से। अभी ये खत्म नहीं हुआ है। टोटल 25 क्वेश्चंस हैं, एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू। सो आई एम डूइंग slowly वन बाय वन। सो दिस क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम द एलसीएम एंड एचसीएफ चैप्टर। कैलकुलेट द एचसीएफ ऑफ 12/5, 14/15 एंड 16/17। द ऑप्शंस आर गिवन। सो लेट्स सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन। It is also an easy one, but you should know that how do we calculate the HCF of fractions. So basically HCF of a fraction, HCF of a fraction is equal to HCF of numerator, HCF of numerator divided by LCM of denominator, LCM of denominator. So if you don't know this thing, this formula, you can't do anything. All right. So for your information, let me tell you what is the LCM of a fraction. LCM of a fraction. This is just for information and not related with this question. LCM of a fraction equal to LCM of numerator divided by HCF of denominator. So this is not needed here, just for your information. Now HCF of fraction equal to HCF of numerator by LCM of denominator. So this one HCF of, we can write here HCF of 12/5, 14/15 and 16/17. That will be equal to HCF of 12, 14, 16 divided by LCM of 5, 15, 17. Now that is equal to how much? So if you do the HCF of 12, 14 and 16, you will find that it comes, I think 2 it will come, 2, because 12, 14 and 16, you can write 12, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So here you can write 2 multiplied by 7, and here you can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So basically only 2. This is the highest common factor, only 2. Okay. And what is the LCM of 5, 15 and 17? 5, 15 and 17. So you factor, let us take 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15 and keep 17. So 5 into 3, 15 into 17. 15 into 17 equal to how much? 7 5 is 35, 5 3 10, 15. Okay. So 5 5 2. So basically this is 255. So the answer will be 2 by 255. All right. This will be the answer, 2 by 255. HCF of these fractions is 2 by 255, which is answer option C. Okay. All right. So these are the easy things, but you have to remember because SSC can ask anything. All right. Okay, then meet you in the next video. Thank you very much. Thanks for giving the time.